The Mill Pond House was a structure of great value to the community in the early days. It was erected about 1875 by John H. Shorty Brown, who was one of the founders of San Saba in the 1850s. This building housed machinery of gristmill, which ground cornmeal for bread, and a cotton gin. It was run by water power supplied by San Saba Springs. After the mill was in disuse, the city water system machinery was housed here. The San Saba Garden Club restored the building after its acquisition in 1956.